Hi guys, welcome to my channel Vegetable. Today we are going to make corn pottage. For that we need 10 grams of butter, 1 cup of corn, 1 by 4th cup of finely chopped onion, 1 cup of milk, oregano, cornflour, turmeric and pepper. Take a wide pan and melt the butter. Now add corn and onion to it and fry it till it becomes transparent. Now allow the fried mixture to cool and blend it in a blender along with a cup of water. Take the same pan again and add 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add to it and mix thoroughly. Make sure that there is no lumps are formed. Now add the blended mixture to it. Have strained the mixture with a big mesh so that those corn skins will be strained. Now add salt to the dish and bring the corn pottage to boil. Add turmeric and pepper according to your taste. Now add 3 teaspoons of oregano. Our corn pottage is ready. Try it at home. If you like the video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the vegetable channel. Thank you.